Hello, my dear foodies. Welcome to Afreen's Tasty Kitchen. Today's recipe is a traditional sweet rice Zarda, also known as Meethe Chawal, which is usually prepared during special occasions like festivals and celebrations. I have shared a healthy version of Meethe Chawal by replacing sugar with jaggery. I hope everyone will love it. Let's get started with the process. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Take a pan, add 4 tablespoons ghee, add 15 to 20 cashews, ten to 12 raisins. Fry until golden brown. And keep them aside. Now add 100 grams freshly chopped coconut chunks and fry them until they turn brown in color. Add half-inch cinnamon stick and 3 cloves. Add 1 cup jaggery and cook until it's melted and reaches to a 2-string consistency. Add half teaspoon cardamom powder. Adding a pinch of yellow color gives a radiant look to the sweet rice. Combine everything. Now add the cooked rice. And combine all together. Add a pinch of salt for better taste. Cover and cook for 10 minutes on low flame. Some tips to remember are: the rice has to be fully cooked and not raw inside. The rice should be cooled while adding, else it can turn mushy when added to the jaggery syrup. Top it up with the fried dry fruits. This is a healthier version of Zarda or Meethe Chawal. However, jaggery can be substituted with sugar as per one's taste or desire. Zarda or Meethe Chawal is ready now. Serve it as an after meal dessert or as a standalone sweet dish. Do prepare this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Afreen's Tasty Kitchen wishes each and everyone a happy Diwali. Enjoy Diwali with this sweet rice recipe and spread smiles among your loved ones. Okay then, see you guys soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, take care, bye-bye. Have a happy and safe Diwali. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button under the video.